Wow, dat is een frisse video.
Yo.
Good morning. This is Friday morning. We are just a few kilometers from Stompdrif Dam here in the Western Cape, Little Karoo. We will fish here for the weekend and do our second video at this venue. I've got Michelle and Jacques with me, so we're gonna fish 6 rods. We've got some new boilies and pop-ups to test. Hope to catch a lot of nice fish. The dam is quite full at the moment, and we can see the wall there. It is overflowing at the moment, but yeah, we will try our best to find a nice spot and hopefully catch a lot of nice carp. When you come to Stompdrif Dam, you will camp at Stompies resort. I will put all the contact details in below the video, so if you want to maybe come and camp and fish here, you will have all the details. Right, this is what the entrance gate looked like at Stompies resort. Okay, we've got the camping spot here, but this dam is very, very beautiful and nice and full. Just look at this. So the nice thing about it is we can camp right here and fish right here. We normally had to drive down quite a couple of 100 meters to the dam, but now it's right up here. Look at this little ducks here. Is that not beautiful? Come here, let's go. Go. Right, all set up and just about ready for action. This place really looks very, very, very good. Beautiful. Just walk around here. Even got our own little toilet set up here. And then we've got the tents, dry area. All good to go. The first fish for this trip. Jacques just caught this beautiful carp. What a beautiful fish. Just look at that, man. Wow. Beautiful. While we were landing, Jacques' other fish, his other rod also went. So he's got one on here also. Whoa, another nice carp. Yeah. Wow, 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 wow. God, it's beautiful. Wow, just look at that, man. Two beautiful carps in no time. Okay, that's the second carp that Jock just landed now. Beautiful fish, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, Michelle's turn. The carp seem to be coming in now. And the two carp Jock caught was the one rod we had a banana and garlic combination, and the other rod we had an FX pink sweets combination. So they seem to be liking all the baits, no problem. We're still gonna do some specimen baits later and tomorrow. We will try those. Let's have a look what we've got here. Off. Oh man. Okay, Michelle is on again. Surely we must land this one. Nice carp, I can see it already. Wow, beautiful. Yo, that's nice, man. Really nice. Wow. Woo. Best one for the trip so far. Beautiful carp. Yes. Yeah. There you go. How's that? Beautiful carp. Wow. Right, Jock has got another one on. Let's have a look. Jeez. Got it. Yo, nice size. Got another line there. Right. This is Jock's third carp. Very nice, beautiful fish. This is quite late on Friday afternoon. Michelle caught that beautiful carp on camera. Jock actually got 3 carp. I got one little carp, not even half a kilo. We didn't bother to take photos or any footage of that. But yeah, I've got on both my rods some specimen baits at the moment. 2 boilies, banana and 1 mulberry boilie. And I'm gonna leave them in for a while and see what happens. And yeah, if we catch something I will throw again. And then tomorrow is Saturday, which is our main fishing day for this weekend. So we hope to catch a couple of nice carps tomorrow.
Ja. You.
Quite late on Saturday afternoon, and we had an extremely difficult day. Just that one carp that I caught a little while ago, and that was that for today. We threw everything at it. We used floaties, tiger nuts, boilies, pop-ups, all shapes, all sizes, all flavors. Nothing really came off, but I'm very thankful for that beautiful carp that I caught. This venue is absolutely beautiful. Very peaceful, very safe, and very well managed. Clean. The ablution blocks are spotless. When you come here, you can book. I will put all the contact details in the description of this video. Very cheap. You pay for a big caravan stand $3.45 per night, and you can be up to 6 people, which is very cheap. Anyway, our next stop might be Karoo Dam in the southwestern Free State. We need to give that a go again. We've been there once before, but we didn't make a video at the time. If we didn't catch anything further, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share this video, and we will see you on the next one.